Under the conversion of single entry into double entry, we will be mostly getting incomplete records. So we have to find out various items from that incomplete records, like your opening stock, closing stock, purchases, like that. So we have a question here. We will see the question. From the following, find out closing stock by preparing memorandum trading account. So memorandum trading account is somewhat similar to your trading account. Okay, so you will have debit side as well as credit side. You will be recording all expenses into debit side and income into the credit side. We will go through the items one by one. So first item is opening stock. So we know opening stock will come on the debit side. Then we have cash purchase as well as credit purchases. So whenever we are purchasing something, cash is actually going out. Okay, so it's an expenditure for us. All expenses we will be debiting. Now purchase return. When there is a return, purchase return happens, the total value of purchase will be reducing. So purchase returns must be deducted from the total purchase value. So the next is cash sales as well as credit sales. So when we sell something, actually we are receiving cash, and that's a kind of income for us. So all income we will record on the credit side of the trading account. Now sales returns is given. The returns will of course reduce the total sales value. So we are supposed to deduct it from the total sales. Now they have also given the gross profit as 50% of the cost. So we will see how to make a memorandum trading account. So it's same like your trading account only. You will be having a debit side as well as credit side, and the thing is, like, if you want here, since you have the adjustments for the returns, if you want you can give an inner column and outer column, but I'm just following like this only. I will do the calculations within the particulars column. Okay, so we will see the question and write the items one by one. So first item is opening stock. Opening stock will come into the debit side of your trading account, because it is your expenditure, right? So write it, opening stock on your debit side, that is 2000 rupees. Look at the question, 2000 rupees. Now we have also cash purchases as well as credit purchases. Both are expenses, so I'm going to write purchases, a common heading. Okay, under the purchases, I can also show my cash purchase as well as my credit purchase value. Okay, I'm going to show it in the inner column itself. So cash purchase in the question is given. Look at this, cash purchase is 8,000 and credit purchase is given as 38,000. So we will fill the values. Cash purchase 8,000 and the next one is credit purchase, and this value is already given in the question as 38,000. From this we are supposed to deduct the returns. So purchase returns also given. The value in the question is 1000 rupees, so you can also give minus returns. So returns is reducing your purchase value, so we are deducting it and keep it in the bracket. And your outer column, total purchase minus your returns, will give you a figure of 45,000. Okay, now we will see the next item in the question, that is sales. We have two types of sales, cash as well as credit sales. Cash sales amount is 30 and credit sales amount is 40. So sales is an income for us, right? We will receive the money when we sell something. So I will give a common heading sales. Under that I will divide it and write cash sales. Okay, so cash sales is 30,000. Okay, and credit sales is given as 40,000. Okay, same like your purchases, in the question they have also given returns, sales returns. Okay, so returns will also reduce your sales value, so we are going to deduct it. We will see in the question, returns is sales returns value is given as 4,000 rupees. All right, so we will be reducing deducting this sales value by deducting 4,000 rupees, and we have also a rate of gross profit at 50% on cost. So profit will come on the debit side and loss will come on the credit side. That is gross profit, okay, 50% on cost. Okay, I will write my profit on my debit side. Okay, but the thing is, it is given as 50% on cost. Okay, I don't have a complete data of cost, so what I can do is profit on sales I will take. That means 50% on cost is also called as 1 by 2 on cost. And I know 1 by 2 on cost is also equivalent to 1 by 3 on core. 1 by 3 on sales. Okay, why I am doing 1 by 3 on sales? Because sales data I know here, right? See, here I have all sales data in my question. Sales will be almost coming as 66,000, it will be coming. Okay, total sales after adjusting my returns, my sales is coming as 66,000. So on that I can directly compute my gross profit. So I will apply 1 by 3 into what is my sales after adjusting the returns, 66,000. So 1 by 3 into 66,000, I'm getting a gross profit of how much? 22,000. All right, so now we will take a total. When we check the figures, your debit side will be more than your credit side. Okay, so how much is the total you are getting here? 69,000 you will be getting as a total. So you will be writing the total. Debit side is more, of course, here. So I will put that total value on the other side also. And debit side amount is not matching with the credit side. See, credit side I have only 66,000. So I will be getting a balancing figure of 3,000 on my credit side. Alright, so what is this 3,000 called as? What is missing on my credit side? My closing stock is missing. So I could write it as my closing stock. Okay, so this is the balancing figure. So this is how you will be finding the closing stock value from incomplete data. Same manner you can even find out the opening stock. Okay.